In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Raw Accel. If you're looking to enhance your mouse acceleration settings, Raw Accel is a powerful tool that can help you take control of your experience. We're going to break down the download process into simple steps so you can have it up and running in no time. Let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the official Raw Accel page on GitHub. To do that, open your web browser and in the address bar, type github.com/rawaccelofficial. This is the home for all official software releases of Raw Accel, and it's where you'll find the latest information and software updates. GitHub is a trusted platform used by millions of developers around the world, so you can be confident you're getting the software directly from the source. Once you're on the Raw Accel GitHub page, your next step is to locate the latest release. You'll often see a section right on the home page marked with a label like Releases or Latest Releases. These are typically easy to spot. Click on the most recent release link provided there to view all the details about what this version includes. It often lists any new features, fixes, or improvements compared to previous versions. After clicking on the latest release, you'll be directed to a page that provides more specifics about the update. Here, you'll also see a section titled Assets. This is where you'll find downloadable files associated with the release. One of these files will be your target, the installer for the latest version of Raw Accel. It's crucial to ensure you're downloading from the Assets section, as these files are tested and verified by the developers themselves. Within the Assets section, look for the link that says Download Latest Version. Clicking this link will start the downloading process. Make sure to save the file in a location on your computer that's easy for you to access, such as your Downloads folder or directly on your desktop. Depending on your internet connection speed, this download might take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. That's it. You've downloaded Raw Accel. From here, you'll want to find the downloaded file and open it to begin the installation. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once installed, you can start configuring your mouse acceleration settings to achieve the perfect feel for your needs. Keep in mind to periodically check back on the GitHub page for any new releases or updates to the software. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on downloading Raw Accel. Enjoy your enhanced control and precision.